guys, and welcome back to another video. I don't think I've done a video in quite a while, probably like a week or so. But anyways, I'm here. There's a lot of changes that's been happening. I will definitely update you guys on that in like the next video or something. I'm still trying to debate how it is I'm gonna do it, but don't worry, I'll let you guys know definitely. I'm gonna share with you guys my experience and how I dealt with a breakup. This is like before this relationship that I'm with Daniel. This relationship, I was in it for 5 years, and it was all through high school pretty much. I honestly saw my life with this person. I got over my breakup, and hopefully you can get over yours, and I hope it helps many of you out there going through a breakup. So here are some ways to get over your ex. The first thing that I did was delete my ex from every social media that I had and block him. At that moment, it stopped from any urge for me going back and like trying to see his profile or trying to like contact him or any of that. Like, you have to remember why it is that you ended up breaking up, even if it was, him breaking up with you, or she broke up with you, or you broke up with them. You have to stick to what it is that you know the facts are. The next thing I did was like throw out everything. Even though, like, let's say you have a favorite sweater, throw it out. There's no reason to keep it. Every letter, emails, I feel like I deleted everything as if that person never existed in my life. It makes it easier for you to be able to move on later on. I remember when I broke up with this person, I talked about it with close friends, with my sisters, and it was just me trying to put myself out there and say, you know, this is what happened, this is how I'm feeling, and it's okay. I knew that the more I talk about it, the less painful it will be when someone asks me, oh, what happened to you and this person? Or, oh, you're not together anymore, what happened? And that way you don't start crying or like go into tears and stuff. Because when people ask me, how you been? And I'm sad, I start crying. I don't want that to happen. Eventually there was nothing left to say. I really enjoyed was spending time with myself, because I had, I was in a 5-year relationship. So I was always thinking about the other person and what the other person enjoyed, or like what they not wanted me to do, but like what they expected of me. And I never really had time for my needs, for what I wanted, for things that I wanted to spend my time doing. And so that's what I did. I was trying to rediscover myself, learn how to love myself, because I did it. I was young, I didn't know any better. Putting yourself out there, as in knowing you're single, knowing that you may or may not want to be in a relationship so quickly, it's up to you. Once I had broken up with my ex, I knew I didn't want to be in another relationship for quite a while. I was not looking for anyone else. I was more focused in school and, like myself. And I was like, if someone comes along my way, well, fine, I won't turn it down. But that's not my main goal. Don't close yourself up just because someone hurt you so bad. Chances are the next person you meet will be your actual husband one day, or your wife one day. Just because this other person hurt you so bad doesn't mean someone else should pay the cost for that. And that's what many people do when they end up breaking up, and I didn't want that to happen to me. Definitely put yourself out there, meet new people, talk to people, and just enjoy life. You have so much to live for. I remember when I broke up with him, I would constantly blame myself and be like, did I throw away, 5 years of my life for nothing? Did I make the right choice? And like, just thoughts that would go through my head like that. Think about every negative thing that it is that they did, and it'll make it so much easier for you not wanting to go back. Like, this is the outcome of what happened between you two. Let's say you guys end up going back together. Chances are they're gonna end up the same way that it ended the first time, or worse. So what's the point, So I feel like don't blame yourself. Don't put yourself down. Surround yourself with positive people that will tell you, you're not a bad person, that love you, that care about you. I feel like one important thing that I did was I did not bundle up my emotions. I would just write everything down, and I would just let everything out whenever I had to cry. And it made it easier. A day will come when you won't feel like that anymore. A day will definitely show up. Even if it's a year from now or 2 years from now, definitely there comes a time when you don't think about that person the way you used to. That pretty much concludes today's video. Those were my tips to you, my advice to you in how to get over a relationship. I hope it was helpful. On the bright side, you will definitely get over your ex, don't worry. Nothing lasts forever. No pain will last, and you'll just get over it. As the years go by, as the months, as the weeks go by, you never know. Life's too short to be hung over one person. That's not even worth it. You will find that special someone someday, and they'll see you for what you're worth. They will love you and cherish you the way that you should be, that you know, loved and cherished. And they will love you the same way you love them. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Remember, click the notification bell so you can get notified for when I post new videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.